Good morning, Bears. I'm Mr. Serna. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is also Individuality Thursday, which celebrates our unique individuality by wearing silly socks. Also, today's fact of the day is autism affects everyone differently. Some individuals might have difficulty with communication, social interactions, or sensory processing, while others might have strengths in areas like memory, pattern recognition, or creativity. Once more, congrats to senior Kaitlyn Toney, who competed in the Texas High School Bowling State Tournament. She advanced to the championship game where she won a 2-game series to capture the 2025 State Championship trophy. Way to knock down those pins. Good luck to our Brennan Lady Bowlers, Kaitlyn Toney, Alana Flores, and Emily Flores as they travel to Grand Prairie to compete in Texas All-District Team Bowling Championship. They will team up with other top bowlers from NISD, taking on the best bowlers in the state. Kaitlyn led district with a 195 average, while Alana had a 162.4 average, and Emily with a 160.55 average. Good luck, Lady Bears. Let's wish our Varsity Bears golf team lots of luck at a tournament today at Breckenridge Golf Course. Also, good luck to our Varsity tennis team at their Bernie Champion Invitational Tournament tomorrow. Our Bears baseball team lost 2-1 to Holmes this past Tuesday, but they look to avenge the loss tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. in Northside Field 1. BFND Bears. Brennan UIL academic teams competed this past weekend for 6A District 28. Taylor Hong placed first in accounting and is advancing to regionals, while the accounting team of Taylor Hong, Matt Diaz, and Mason Khan placed third overall. Dishan Harihara Sudan earned 6th place in calculator apps and is an alternate to regionals. Lana Reese will advance to regionals in headline writing with 1st place, and feature writing with 2nd place as the journalism team earned 2nd place overall. Haley Guerrero will also advance in headline writing with 3rd place and earn alternate in news writing and editorial. Marie Pollack earned alternate status in editorial, headline writing, and news writing. In informative speaking, Sofia Guerrero placed 5th and will be an alternate. In poetry interpretation, Chrissy Radcliffe Stevens made 6th place and will also be an alternate to regionals. Kudos, UIL teams. The FashionABLE show is this Saturday in the Brennan Auditorium at 1 p.m. FashionABLE celebrates models of all abilities, promoting confidence and self-expression. It gives individuals with disabilities the opportunity to shine on the runway, proving that fashion is for everyone. Come to this free event. This year, Brennan Fashion has 5 designers, with one of our models being a bear, ALE's own Trinity. Here's a shout out to senior Camila Sanchez Acevedo, who along with her model will be on SA Live. Seniors, be sure to get the Morp app for prom superlatives. It'll be the only device used for voting. Scan this QR code to download the app or go to Brennan Class 2025 on Instagram. You can also go to tilico.com/morp for the app. Teachers, remember to submit your nominations for the Bear Awards by Friday. For sponsors of clubs, choose your Club Leadership Award. Teachers, you can elect a student for the Most Inspirational Award and the Bear Good Award for a student who acts with persistence and commitment, but not necessarily based on grades or athleticism. Our annual Bear Award ceremony is scheduled on Wednesday, April 30th at 6:30 p.m. Finally, here's a shout out to our Brennan Starlettes drill team, who also performed a tribute to the legendary Dolly Parton and brought home the Grand Nationals Champions Trophy. The officers placed first in 3 categories: jazz, novelty, and lyrical. Team awards include 1st place finishes in 4 categories: jazz, lyrical, prom, and novelty. Congrats to solos with Division 1: Abby Fight, Sofia Galaviz, Brianna Pruneta, Mary Angel Ricardo, Mandy Salcedo, Saneha Walia. Congrats. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X and also on YouTube and Instagram at BTV Bears. I'm Mr. Serna, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and evolve every day. Have a great day.
This is a BTV production.